Up till now, we have tested the leadership factor. So we have got this kind of a model with us. So we have got the lead, we have got EMP, we have got task orientation, and we have got the LEX, right? This had 3 items, this had 4 items, and EMP had 3 items. Now what we are going to do is we are eventually wanting to test this kind of a model. Okay, PJ has a set of items, procedural justice. The structural model that we want to test is something like this, and we want to look at creative behaviors, which has 6 items. Okay, so it has 6 items here. So now what we want to do, so we have tested the measurement model for lead. Okay, in order to test this structural model, we will next test the measurement model for PJ, and we will test the measurement model for CB. And then eventually what we want to do is we want to test the paths between these models. So we are going to do the regression analysis testing between these 3 factors, and this is what we call as the structural model, right? That is going to be tested between the latent factors, leadership. This is the latent factor or the true leadership, true PJ and the true CP, and we are going to estimate these beta 1, beta 2, and beta 3. So in order to do this analysis, we are going to now test the measurement model for PJ, and then we will go and test the measurement model for CB. Then we will test the structural model. So when we talk about SEM, we say SEM is always a two-step, follows a two-step approach. The first step is measurement models. So we will test the measurement model for leadership. We will test the measurement model for PJ. We will test the measurement model for CP. Then we will test the overall measurement model when we will have all the 3 constructs together. And once we are satisfied with the fit of the measurement model, then in the second step, we will go ahead and do the structural model testing, right? That is when we are going to do the structural model testing, and that is when we will report the paths and the betas between the factors.